Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. So let's get started. Before we continue, one thing to mention is that if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the HONOR Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, you need to go to Settings on your iPhone, go to Bluetooth, right here. So once you open the Bluetooth menu, you should see the list of My Devices, and on it there should be your HONOR Watch X5i, as long as the devices are paired together. And next to it, there will be this info icon. Tap on it to open this page. And here, as you can see, we have this option called Share System Notifications. This option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. If it's disabled, the notifications won't pop up on your watch. So make sure to enable this option. Also, it's possible this option is missing from this page, basically from the settings page. And if it is, what you need to do is to open the HONOR Health application on your iPhone and go through the app, and at some point you will see the pop-up about the permission for the notifications. And once you see it, you will need to allow all of them. And if you don't see it yet, go to Device. Oh, my bad. Go to Device. Okay. Select your HONOR Watch X5i. And if you don't see it yet, go to the Notifications Settings and turn on the notifications. And at this point, you probably will see the pop-up, and you should see it, to be honest. And once you see it, allow all of the permissions, and then you can double check. So let's close it for now, go to Settings again, and double check if the option is there. And once it's there, you can make sure it is enabled. And then we can go back to the HONOR Health, of course. Go to Device, select our watch, wait until it's done connecting. Tap on Notifications, turn on the notifications, and then, as you can see, we have the list of applications we can turn on and off the notifications for. And it's quite limited, as you can see, there's only a few. But how it works is basically if you enable the notifications, let's say for messages, and you receive the notification from messages on your iPhone, that notification will be also popping up on your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be popping up on your watch, you will see it only on your iPhone. And if you don't see the application you want to receive the notifications from on your watch, right here on the list, you will need to enable this option, the Others. This option enables notifications for every app on your iPhone that is not on this list, basically. Okay, and at this point, we should be able to receive the notifications. And to test that, I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and it should pop up on our iPhone and on our watch as well. We got the notification on our iPhone. Let's check our watch. And it is here, so it is working. And basically, that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.